Set up a real estate ledger. A good company requires good accounting records. This is especially true for real estate businesses. More often than not, a well-prepared real estate ledger can open a lot of ways for the business to succeed. Hence, if you are part of such kind of business, you need to know how to set up a ledger for the company. Basically, a very well-prepared real estate ledger can make a lot of things easier for the company. For one, it makes the company's financial and tax statements easier to prepare. Plus, it enables the tracking of the balance a lot faster and clearer. So if you wish to take advantage of the benefits of a well-prepared ledger, here are some important notes that you must always remember. Decide how you wish to work on your ledger. Like any other kinds of ledger, you need to know how you want your ledger to be. It can be a choice of manual or computerized. Before making a choice, it is very important for you to know both the disadvantages and advantages of the two kinds of ledger. For one, manually doing your ledger can open ways to errors as you have to manually add or subtract figures. However, you can easily see every detail in paper ledgers and you can bring them almost anywhere. On the other hand, a computerized ledger can make completing the entries easier and quicker. However, this must require several backups to ensure that you still have the date in cases of computer crashes and other problems. Once you are decided, you can prepare your ledger book already. You can buy a ledger book from the market if you choose manual inputting of details. Otherwise, you can use computer software for the process. Know the categories to input in your ledger. Whether you choose manual or computerized ledger, you still need to undergo this process. However, some software-based ledgers already have the categories ready for you. You simply need to delete or add other categories depending on your needs. But, if you are building your ledger from scratch, start by creating two columns, where one is for revenue and the other is for expenditure. On each respective column, think of the forms of income or the types of expenses the company had. Fill in the ledger with details. Once the columns and categories are defined, place the entries under each correct column. To make things less confusing for you, you can use the first half of your ledger book for revenues and another half for the expenditures. On the other hand, if you are making use of a program, you can feel free to create two separate files. Now that your real estate ledger is complete, you can expect that a lot of your business transactions will come out easier for you. Indeed, Contrary to what a lot of people think, setting up a good real estate ledger is not a difficult task at all. You simply need to know what to do and off you go for a well-prepared ledger for the benefit of your company.